In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can open an Incognito tab on Android. Okay, this is super simple to do, and all you need to do is open up a web browser on your phone. I highly recommend Chrome because that is simply one of the best browsers for mobile. And then once you're on Chrome, you can see three vertical dots at the top right. If you tap on that, you can see it says New Tab and then New Incognito Tab. You want to tap on New Incognito Tab. That's going to go ahead and open up Incognito. It says you've gone incognito. Now everything that you browse will be private. And then from the Incognito tab, you can go to any web browser that you want and then begin searching. As you can see, I'm not signed in anymore. So that is how you open an Incognito tab on Android. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.